Okay, once you have all 3 layers pinned together, you're going to go ahead and pick a starting point. I usually try to pick in the middle of a nice big block so that it's not as obvious when you go to close it up. And you want to do that finishing stitch and leave a good 1/2 inch all the way around. And just pivot when you get to the corners and don't go until you get back to where you started. Leave it a couple inches to flip it around. Make sure you take your pins out. Up on the end here, and don't forget to leave a gap open for you to sew closed. Just do the finishing stitch on the end of there, and then it will be sewn all the way around.